Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make the soft reset of your Xiaomi speaker. First of all, in the Google Home app, open your speaker, then click on the settings, and right now click on the three dots in the right upper corner. Click to reboot, tap OK, and now just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, this indicator just turns off. We can just go back from the settings. As you can see, the device will be turned on. On the display we can find hello message. As you can see right now, we are not connected. Okay, it looks like we are connected back. Let's wait until this notification just change, and you will get your time back, and you will be also connected back with the speaker, so you can, for example, cast audio. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.